In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Google Keep. If you use Google Keep to manage reminders, ideas, checklists, or quick notes, adding collaborators is a simple way to share that information with someone else and work on the same note together. This is especially useful for shared to-do lists, planning tasks, or keeping everyone updated in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add a collaborator to one of your notes. To begin, open Google Keep and go to your dashboard. This is the main screen where all of your notes are displayed. Once you're there, take a moment to find the specific note you want to share. Since collaboration happens note by note, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. Next, hover your mouse over the note you want to add a collaborator to. When you do this, a row of note options will appear. Look for the icon that shows a person with a plus sign. This is the collaboration button. Click that icon to open the sharing settings for the note. After that, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. Type in the collaborator's email address carefully so the invitation goes to the right account. As you type, Google may begin suggesting matching accounts, especially if the person is already in your contacts or part of your organization. When their account appears in the suggestions, click on it to select it. This helps confirm that you're inviting the correct person and can also reduce the chance of sending the collaboration request to the wrong address. You should see the selected account added to the Notes collaborator list. Once everything looks right, click Save. That final step sends the collaboration invitation and updates the notes sharing settings. After that, the collaborator will be able to access the note and contribute to it, depending on their Google account access. A helpful tip here is to double-check the note before saving, especially if you're sharing personal reminders or private information. Since collaborators can view and edit the shared note, it's a good idea to make sure the content is meant to be shared. And that's it. As you can see, collaborating in Google Keep only takes a few clicks. Open your dashboard, choose the note, click the collaborator icon, enter and select the account, and then save your changes. Once you get used to it, this becomes a fast and practical way to share notes and stay organized with others.